Whether you are a board student fighting for that 95%, a JEE aspirant chasing a percentile jump, a NEET warrior fighting the rank battle, a UPSC aspirant, or any competitive exam for that matter, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. Because if you skip this video, you're not just missing tips. आप खुद अपने competitors को एक massive advantage दे रहे हो. You are literally handing them the rank that could have been yours. Now the problem is, last days में 99% students panic करते हैं और गलत डायरेक्शन में ज्यादा मेहनत करता है. बट द टॉप 1% they work differently. So hi guys, I'm Dr. Yogesh Arul, gastroenterologist at GB Pant Mansi, और आज मैं आपको वही एग्जैक्ट स्ट्रेटजी देने वाला हूं जो मैंने खुद फॉलो किया था. Not just to crack the exam, but to secure a NEET SS rank of 25 and AIMS rank of 13, even after studying in a peripheral government college and a private medical college. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि मैंने फाइनल वीक्स का प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल किया और अपना बेस्ट आउटपुट कैसे निकाला. So be ready because this video will change your exam game altogether. Well, I know your time is very precious at this point. So without wasting any time, let's directly jump into strategy. I am going to tell you 3 masterpiece strategies that every topper follows but no one talks about. Strategy number 1, the reverse shadow technique. दुनिया का हर टॉपर पहले पेपर देखता है फिर बुक खोलता है. But most of the other students wait until they feel ready to solve questions. Reality check, you are never going to feel ready. So just pick previous year papers, solve it even if you think you're not ready. जो क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ सिर्फ वही टॉपिक्स वापस पढ़ो. दिस इज शैडोइंग द एग्जामिनर्स ब्रेन. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि एग्जामिनर कहाँ ट्रिक कर सकता है. नाउ इसे 2 चीजें होती हैं. पहला, आपका दिमाग एक्टिव हंटिंग मोड में आ जाता है. यू एक्टिवली स्टार्ट सर्चिंग फॉर द आंसर्स दैट यू डोंट नो टू फिल द गैप्स इन योर नॉलेज. और दूसरा, आपका रिवीजन 3x फास्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि अब आप पूरी बुक नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, आप सिर्फ वही गैप्स भर रहे हो जो आपको अच्छा रैंक लाने से रोक रहे हैं. चलो लेट्स मूव टू स्ट्रैटेजी नंबर 2, हाउ आई हैक माय ब्रेन टू स्कूल. इफ यू स्टडी समथिंग टुडे बट देन फॉरगेट इट विद इन अ वीक, दैट इज मेमोरी लीक, which is completely natural because science shows that within 24 hours your brain deletes almost 50% of what you study today. This is the forgetting curve and it is the reason why most hardworking students fail. So here's the fix. You need to hit the save button before the curve drops by practicing active recall or spaced repetition. In the end of every study session, revise what you studied and then recollect without looking at your books. Doing this over time will increase your retention because you know that at the end of the session, you will have to repeat it to yourself. Then before sleeping, do a short revision of the whole day. Write it down as short points and subtopics. And next morning, सिर्फ 5 मिनट निकालो to review those main points. ये आपकी मेमोरी को वापस 100% पर ले जाएगा. And that's important because पढ़ना जितना जरूरी है, उसको retain करना उससे भी ज्यादा जरूरी है. Now comes the 80-20 rule. Most students think that to get a top rank, they need to master 100% of the syllabus with 100% intensity. ये सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी है. The truth is, exam pattern often follows 80-20 rule. In every competitive exam, 80% of questions are derived from just 20% of overconfidence. आपको 80% results सिर्फ 20% मेहनत से आ सकता है अगर आप सही जगह हिट करोगे. So study and revise the topics in the order of importance and weightage. जो टॉपिक जितना हाई यील्डिंग है उसे उतना ज्यादा रिवाइज करो. अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल, भैया कितना घंटे पढ़ना है? 10 घंटे, 14 घंटे? लिसन, नीट एसएस रैंक 25 और एम्स रैंक 13 लाने के लिए आई डिडंट काउंट आवर्स, आई कैलकुलेटेड माय सेशंस. इफ यू आर सिटिंग विद अ बुक फॉर 15 आवर्स बट योर ब्रेन इज डेड, यू आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग टाइम. लो एनर्जी टाइम में इजी सब्जेक्ट्स रखो और प्राइम टाइम में हाई यील्ड और टफ टॉपिक्स रखो. Well, I know making a timetable sometimes feels exhausting, but as you're watching this video, you are going to get a topper's time schedule blueprint. It's a stepwise plan which you can directly apply from today itself. The 4-3-2-1 rule. This is how you divide your study time into slots. Slot 1 will be for 4 hours. The morning deep dive. This is for your toughest subjects. इस वक्त दिमाग सबसे sharp होता है. Tackle the concepts that make you sweat. Slot 2 will be of 3 hours. The exam simulation. Just sit in your exam time. Like if you're preparing for NEET, it should be from 2 to 5 p.m. Solve papers and MCQs in this time and keep yourself active. ये slot आपके दिमाग को battle mode में डालता है. so that you're in this specific zone of mind even on the exam day. Slot 3 will be of 2 hours. This is for active recall. Switch the subject over here to keep your brain in alert mode, mostly in the evening time. Slot 4 will be of 1 hour. I like to call this the reality check because this slot will tell you दिन भर में actually कुछ पढ़ा भी है या बस fake productivity mode में थे. This slot is just before sleep. No new info. Just flip through the pages and see what mistakes you made and recap what you've been learning. Now, technical strategies or schedules तो मैंने बता दिया, but there is one thing that no textbook can teach you. वो है आपका willpower. There will be nights where you feel like giving up, like I am feeling right now. When the pressure feels too heavy and you'll ask yourself, am I even capable of this? Here comes the most important thing, strategy number 3. Don't give up now. Just remember and look how far you have traveled. Listen to me very carefully. Results are not in our hands, but the effort is. I didn't just study to get a rank. I studied so that when I look in the mirror after the exam, my soul doesn't tell me, Yokesh, you could have tried harder. You could have done better. So just give 100% and leave the rest to destiny. Honestly, after my NEET SS exam, the paper didn't go so well. I was so depressed and stressed, and when I came home, my entire family was waiting with a cake because I was just about to hit 1 million. And I acted happy in front of them because I didn't want to show all my sadness. And I usually don't have a lot of cake, but उस दिन मैंने दबा के खाया. And I went straight to the gym. I had leg day, and उस दिन I just couldn't lift the weights because I was so depressed, so angry, and so frustrated. But at that point, I told myself, Yokesh, if you push yourself through this leg day, if you can control your mind right now, you can achieve anything in your life. That is the power of controlling your own mind. So I got back from gym and my mom had made my favorite dosas, but I had to control myself to hit my protein goals. So I took some whey and made my diet super strict. Always remember this one thing. When you give your 100%, you can never fail. I still remember when I was preparing for my super specialty exams, मेरे दिमाग में बस यही चल रहा था, यार मैं एक प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज से आया हूँ, अभी भी एक पेरिफेरल गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में हूँ. My competition is with medicine specialists जिनका rank cutoff is over the roof, and I also have my content creation with me. How am I going to handle all of this, and how am I going to even top? So many questions just evolved within me. Even my batchmates thought I was nowhere in the competition. I felt so weak sometimes, but I never gave up because giving up meant that I'm literally handing over my seat to them. When you think like this, you'll never stop trying. So I tried hard and gave my 100%. God was watching as He always does, and now I am where I am. Another thing I can tell you from my experience is your biggest competition is you. No one else but you. So stop worrying about how much your friend has revised. Everyone's timelines are different. Every flower blooms at a different time. Trust the months of hard work you've put in. Because when I was preparing for my NEET SS, I was so scared about the results. But then I just remembered, Yokesh, you have prepared for 16 months, you have given you everything, you have worked every single hour. Just trust the process, go blindly into the exam, and just give your best. So you are much stronger than a 3-hour question paper. You are a warrior, and a warrior never leaves the battlefield until the last second. And I'm sure that if you follow the things I said in this video, it will definitely add a lot of value to your preparation. Today, I want you to write your victory in the comments with your own hands. Write, I will give my 100% no matter what. जब आप ऐसे लिखते हो, you are telling your brain that you are ready to fight. And remember, I believe in you. Dr. Yokesh Arul believes in you. Now it's your turn to believe in yourself.